Hey there, YouTube. It's Felden here again, making this short little announcement here. I went to Poco Loco Sunday the 24th, so yesterday. I didn't play. I went to just take pictures and video, and you'll see at the very end of this exact video there'll be 10 or so pictures I took during the game directly after the lunch break, and then the footage that you'll see before that is from, there's about 30 seconds in the safe zone with my buddy Carson, and then after that you'll see about 29 minutes of gameplay. I'm going to tag everybody in this on YouTube in a few minutes to edit it, so you'll see Andy, A.Dot, Mooch, Tactical Assassin, a bunch of other people, some of which you'll recognize from the forums. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. I really do appreciate hearing input on what I could do to make my videos better. And this is taken right now. This is HD. The footage from yesterday is in 640p, so it's not the highest of quality, but it allowed me to get more footage than with HD on my point-and-shoot camera. Thanks, guys.
Why are you videotaping?
It's absolutely necessary.
Ruin everything.
I'm sorry. Had to.
Videotape yourself and see how ridiculous you look.
I know how ridiculous I look.
Alright,
I'm wearing a freaking reflective vest and woodland pants. And a helmet.
Should we get one or two? One. Stop.
Thanks, Dan.
No problem. Thank you. Yeah, you're up at the top.
You're up top.
You want the mooch?
Come on, Mooch.
He's down here sleeping. He's one of the best.
We'll edit that part in.
Oh no. That's staying.
Hey, Felden.
Yo.
Is that on?
Yeah.
Hey, we going in the hot tub later? Yeah? Come on, big boy.
Felden, you never told me you had a hot tub.
There's a reason for that.
You always tell me to stay inside.
Only special guests get to go in the hot tub.
Tom's very special. He's C3 special.
Special ed.
Well, Brett, that could work for other Tom too, 'cause he's special.
He is. But he is not part of C3.
He's so special.
No comment.
This is really reaching back to my freshman year. It's so crap.
Alright, you guys got You guys got 3 respawns here, but you can go halfway. Woo! You can go halfway down. I don't care. Okay, I won't shoot you because you said halfway down. I think you guys should go on that down up that side. Agreed.
I'm just gonna run up the center.
Everybody.
Like
Everybody.
That would be no different from usual.
Wrong gun. Mohammed Jihad. Wrong gun.
Long gun. Long gun.
I hope you got a cup on. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
That's just me.
Everybody go down that way. Oh.
Except for if you're me.
No, you're going with them.
Oh, no fun.
Dan, take them up that way, okay? Okay.
Don't die, Dan. I want to see that. I want to see that gun in action.
Hey, Felden, dance.
Yo, calm down. I'm wearing combat boots for a reason. I barely even feel it. That's the power of Walmart combat boots.
I'll shoot you in the groin.
Yeah, the one time I don't wear my nut protector, you're threatening to shoot me in the groin. Every other time I wear it, no one ever mentions that.
Sheldon.
No. No, don't. Stop.
I got you.
Kill you. Calm down.
I'm getting closer. Each and every shot I move closer, boys. Keep it up and I'll get you right there.
Go Reed.
Yeah, charge up this side. Use the rocks for cover. Stuff that's in your way.
I didn't know they're jihad.
Stuff that's in my way. 1.
Go, go, go!
Oh, I'm out of breath.
Yeah.
So that whiz by.
Hit. Hit.
Yeah, they're all going right now. Watch the right. Are you fucking serious? That much pussy down and come up there, man?
Fill your gun shoot like freaking missiles.
Dude, this is fucking ridiculous, man. I mean, it's like they all ran away. Mooch wasn't even here with the other gun yet. All right, Mooch.
It's mooch time.
Dude, I can't believe how good this thing shoots with the silencer, man. Is that you, Mooch? Yep. Nice.
I just think it's funny that I didn't get shot that whole time.
What, when you're standing on the rock?
Yeah.
I want to see this video, Calaban.
You will. It'll be up on YouTube tonight. Will this be postable? Oh, I just got hit in the helmet.
Hey, Mood.
Yeah.
See that big ass rock in front of me? That huge fucker?
Yeah.
Let's try to go down there.
Alright, are we allowed to capture their spawn?
I don't want to do that, though. That's a real dick move.
Exactly. Well, they threw our rocks in like 12 of
Mike is over midfield. Can't hear you. I'm fine. If you want to move down. Dude, at least come off the road, man. Okay, sorry.
Oh. I'm moving. How many spawns you got left, Reed?
Huh?
How many spawns you got left? You want to make one last ditch effort? Herpty derp walk.
Derp.
Thanks.
You gotta join the ranks of the dead. Nope.
This isn't even a challenge for them. They are just destroying you guys.
Hey, I think I made a pretty good move.
Yeah, we got pretty far. Not far enough.
Yeah.
You guys got up to the rock and that was it. They're still in the same places they've been the entire game. And they're destroying you.
End of the day, going up a hill, what do you want from us?
A party. Better effort.
He's got the strobe.
We want effort.
Strobe it.
Does anybody have a battery or something? I'm dying. A gun I could borrow because I have one more spell.
I've got a battery.
Here's up at a 9.6 stick type. You can use mine.
There you go.
Okay, we're done with that.
Failed him. Can I shoot the MP9?
What's that?
Can I shoot the MP9?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I want to try that thing.
What about except for my handgun?
It's got a few left.
How's the parallax on that sight?
Doesn't have any.
No?
Red dot.
Oh. Like
Yep.
you said, that just brings a smile.
Yep.
Can I try that thing?
The second you feel
Alright, I'm going to try to shimmy this with the camera. Alright, now I'm left-handed.
Smile, don't it?
Yeah. It's beautiful.
point it right in my face.
It's alright. You'll get over it.
It's impossible to not smile when you shoot that.
I know.
I should have seen that on sight.
Go ahead.
Anybody else want to head back to the safe zone? Because it's hot out here and I can't stand these guns.
Yeah, as long as you can track the dot, you're good.
Yeah. Same my hollow.
Do we have to walk or can we skip?
Except the dot is like a circle of 3 dots on
Do I smell tactical skipping? Or is that propane?
Propane.
Either way.
This is a beautiful game. Sniper duck.
Much better than everything.
Yeah.
Some of the other sniper duck said that
Much better
he
than
have.
P90 my
You tell him duck and shoot him.
Your opinion? What do you feel?
Right,
P90 better than any of?
Yes, because it
Do it again.
is small and
Son.
So is this going on YouTube tonight?
Yeah.
It's empty. More than likely.
Put the link up on the forum so go watch it.
Will do.
That was a horrible game for me. Why couldn't you get like one of the earlier games when I was doing like really good? You get the game where I get shot in the neck twice.
Yeah. Occasionally.
It's Mooch and Andy. The two of them, I mean, Andy could be up there all day. Easily.
I think he's having fun with me because I'm sitting there. I'm telling our sniper to duck. I'm like, duck. And right
You
in the
shouldn't be
head.
behind the sniper shooting.
Huh?
You shouldn't be behind the sniper and shooting. You should get in front of him.
Well, I was trying to. I was trying
Dude,
to.
you're like shooting from like back here.
Yeah.
But that doesn't
if the
work.
sniper is in front of you, you gotta
It's not
keep
gonna
moving.
do anything.
I was trying to.
Where'd you get this at?
Mike's place. It was in where is it?
Okay.
New Brunswick, New Jersey.
Oh yeah,
Closed down.
I see.
Oh, old man?
No.
Based on how
have
far
one
you
just
are
like
from
that,
the red dot or the site, it gets bigger,
I'm
Yeah.
not from around here. I'm from Central Jersey.
and it's always on
I
target.
know it sucks, but
Nice. Pretty decent.
From where you're from. They have
And
one just
today
like
my
that.
high cap decided to work.
All metal.
yeah.
I think the handguards may be wood.
Sounds quiet.
Yeah, because there's only one
Try,
sniper.
try to see the crosshairs.
I'm not sure if I can pick it up. There it is. Got it. Damn.
Where'd you get that? I'm looking for one of those.
This?
The sight or the gun?
Sight.
The site I got for a ridiculous deal on Deal Extreme. It was like the only one at $36, even though.
Ridiculous.
Go to Weapon Blender. They have them for like $50, $55.
Yeah, because I just had one on my M4.
Although if you order them from like China, you can get them for like $35 with all the real trades and everything on them.
But I just got a red dot sight. I wanted like a crosshair sight.
It's like generally sighted in right now.
Yeah. And
The dot's better. Crosshair's too much to
I like
look
it.
through. I don't know. That's just
I
me.
like the crosshair better because the red dot it was moving around whenever I
Moved your
like,
head.
I couldn't even shoot anything, and the
one
dot
to go
was so
on.
faint.
Got to get a suppressor on that thing and make it look absolutely awesome.
Or The version I have.
Pressed it.
It's not even on the full brightness, and you can see it clear as day.
Oh, Thunderbee.
Military use.
That was definitely a Thunderbee.
Breaking the law.
I was wondering when he was going to use that.
Not military.
He was going to use it at the chopper earlier for the second time when they switched sides. He was like, I'm going to run up and whoever's in there, I'm going to scare the hell out of them with this Thunderbee.
This is for law enforcement and military use.
Military?
M-L-I-T-A-R-Y.
I can't even spell that. Let's get that on the military. That's complicated.
This is
My
for
brain
running
hurts.
in a crowd and shouting, Allah Akbar!
Here, Abdul Jafar Abidallah.
Schwarzenegger.
See, I want to get an AK-74 for you, but get the RPK mag, so guns like this big for mags like that. This is my dad's.
Let's go, Lawler Fest. Let's go. Whee! I want to walk backwards because I'm an amazing cameraman. Yeah, really. Just spray Mooch. What's he going to do? You can step on him.
I'll do that.
Easily, just be like... You can throw Mooch in a dump pouch and just pull him out when you need him.
Oh, don't shoot through me.
Hennessy. So what does it feel like to be theoretically dead?
Feels great. Feels like I'm alive again.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
I wasn't behind the tree.
It was pretty entertaining.
Carson, where were you the whole game?
Shooting these guys.
Dude, Andy barely even moved, and he didn't have to. He was just...
I didn't move too much either, except when I got hit the first time, then I was like all over
Do you
the
see
place.
me? I just stood right on top of the rock.
Well, it's like I came up and you two were there, and it was okay, whatever.
I think I got you
with you two.
I think I got you at least once.
I only respawned once. So.
Yeah.
And then Andy got me.
No, maybe I got some other game.
Yeah, after they
You
got
were
like
you were like pretty much there the whole game.
Yeah, I was over here the whole
Yeah, you
game.
probably never popped up.
Yeah.
Alright, can we go back now?
Because it was the pistol battle.
Yeah.
Do we get nachos?
You get kicked in the ass.
Sounds good.
Freaking Mike.
Mike's not wearing his Navy uniform. It's disappointing.
Dude, that ricochet still hurt. How the heck did that happen?
I have no idea. You're shooting at me.
Yeah, you were heading that way, so I'm like, okay, I'll hit that PVC pipe there and make noise and get your head down so you stop moving. And apparently it hit the tree and hit Tom in the neck.
Yeah.
Right here. Dude, that's a nice
So all I
story.
heard was Tom yelling. I was like, oh, I gotta go shoot him. But it didn't work.
Like, seriously, that was... I hit that tree. It was crazy. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. You shot me like right in the nipple.
Well, beats the headshots I've been giving everyone else for the rest of the day. Yeah.
So evil.
Yeah, we try.
You even gave an unintentional headshot.
I know. That was the best one.
You just don't even have to try anymore.
Yeah. Well, I hit one kid in the nuts, too.
Nice.
You keep the score?
He was the fifth one I hit in the nuts. Not today, but...
Yeah, I think you were the one that hit me in the nuts at LP.
You have, like,
Yeah, I think
little
I was
marks on your stock, like scratches, like how many people...
That's right, because that was the one time I wasn't wearing my nut protector, and you shot me.
The Randy was the best, though.
Oh, Mike. Did you like scream?
What's that? He cursed me out pretty bad. He was
I don't know how many times I shot Calaban.
Quite a few.
It's all tan move on the other side.
You're just in the wrong spot at the wrong time.
Yeah, I got hit in the helmet a couple times when I was up here.
Dude, it was hilarious, man. They just...
You were in the same spot like most of the game.
They quit. They just completely quit.
I know.
You weren't quitting, though.
Oh, no.
Just
Not everyone quit.
Yeah, Mike. I paid $20.
Well, and Dan. Dan kept charging.
Yeah, Dan. You almost got me a couple of times.
I mean, after the first try up the left,
Yeah, I was
when me
there.
and Josh just ripped
And
them
you
to
came
shreds,
up,
they just
you
said,
took your shot, hit you right in the chest, and then
We're going to go right. In, with a pistol.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Try to intimidate you. Get down.
It's all good.
Come up on you.
Yeah.
Almost worked.
Yep.
It's so loud.
I love it.
It's like,
And I heard it firing down there, and I was like, oh shit.
I think Mooch pissed his pants. What did the viewers say?
I hope this is video.
It is. This is a 4-year-old, people.
Oh, I thought it was 6.
I don't know. I can't keep track of the moochosity anymore.
Is everybody here at film gonna upload it?
Yeah, mine's going on YouTube tonight.
Oh, nice.
I'll post it up on the forums.
Hey, there's me giving 2 middle fingers and saying fuck him.
Yeah. I never said that. That was Tom.
Dude, you can, right? Yeah. Upload to YouTube or something? Yeah, we'll do.
Ew. Merch. You broke the camera lens. How could you?
I'll break it more.
Ooh.
That's what she said.
I know. I was there.
Yeah.
I guess you were too.
Huh?
Not you.
Don't worry about it.
You were not tactically inserted into this conversation.
That's why I pulled.
Or into his
Oh,
mouth.
look at this. Another C3 thing Carson has. Turn
How
around.
about that? No. It's fine.
So now you have C3 barrel sock, you have a C3 red rag, and a C3 hat.
Oh, yeah.
And a C3 Spec Ops patch.
Oh, what a day. I'm very C3.
C3 special.
Not just spec out, just special.
Well, I'm on Team Ronin.
Really?
How do you even fit into a Marpat uniform? The uniform like consumes you.
Do you have a whole loadout?
How do you even wear a bulletproof vest? It's the size of his torso.
Oh, yeah.
I just been in the
Well, I started taking pot shots and using the side, seeing if I could lob one over.
I walked inside the castle to see if anybody was coming up the middle, and I see you guys are like, you know, moving your way down the hill. I'm like, all right, I guess we own that ground. Yeah, I got bored. Nobody was coming up. So I'm like, dude, come on, let's go.
Pot shots at you anytime you hit a window. I'm like, okay, let's just.
Yeah, you were.
Funny, Carson. When you were standing
Had
you gone up maybe 10 feet? Mike was out.
I still do.
I was like, what?
Still do.
Yeah, post that as soon as you get home and send me a link.
Alright, I'll do it.
It'll probably be uploaded by the time I get home.
Yeah, I'll upload it in like an hour or two, and I'll just make a thread or make a post in the YouTube thing or something.
Send me a fucking PM with the link or whatever. I don't care.
Alright.
I just want to check it out.
Where do I go to check
Somebody's
it out?
got a video of
I have a YouTube channel.
me
I'll
yelling at somebody that I want to see.
I'll post a link on the forums tonight for the video.
They said I went
And a few
ballistic
pictures I got.
on somebody too. That would what?
That would be really amusing.
As long as it's not directed at me, I'm happy. You've already got me enough.
I never gave you an infraction yet, have I?
Yeah, 3.
No.
3.
Warning.
No, 3 infractions.
Are you serious?
2 red, 1 yellow.
Well, yellow's a warning.
Well, okay, so
You must have done something.
the lolling one was reversed, so that was 1 point, but there was a 2-pointer that you gave me that expired.
That was. I think that was when you were selling or.
And that was the kukri, that was the yellow one, that was the warning. I don't know.
I think Randy popped up. Oh, you know what it was? Smiley face.
That was the lolling, that was the 1-pointer, but there was a 2-pointer as well.
Oh.
You want to try these?
Randy,
That's weird.
I know Randy erased one of them.
Whee! Oh well, I'm still on the forums, I'm still happy. Yeah. Unless you're one of those dumb people. Like, I do.
Fighting Irish Drew and I were running to ban each other.
If you win it, I'll
Hey,
take
you can take me. You've been doing more running than what I have.
You guys can split.
I was just going to save it for next week, so.
Oh wait, wasn't it?
Oh, battery died just in time. Off.